tingin niyo ho ba yung creators ng Gorebox ay dapat held accountable din in the case?
Well, there are certain responsibilities, and I'm looking at some jurisprudence here in the States now where the gaming platform has been held accountable. So, unfortunately, they tried, pero wala pa ako nakikitang conviction dito.
Hmm.
Pero from a moral standpoint, there is a moral obligation on the part of the gamers na baguhin at saka yung mga developers na baguhin yung platforms nila at least with respect to age appropriateness nung content. Ibig sabihin, they make sure na kung R18 yan, talagang 18 years old pataas lang ang makakalaro niyan. I've heard that particular that argument na hindi nila responsibilidad yan. Pero as sabi ko naman, no, they have that not only legal responsibility but that moral responsibility kasi kumikita sila sa atin, Sir Willard.
Mm.